Hello, garden buddies. Good to see you again. Uh, and welcome back to Gardener on a Mission. Welcome back to the garden. Today, this video is part of the bulb haul. Going to be planting 15 bulbs. Got the holes dug already. I'll put some bulb tone in the holes as we're going. But this is the first. It's a little snowdrop, commonly called snowdrop. Galanthus nivalis hippolyta or Hippolyta, but commonly called snowdrop. But I thought it was kind of cool. It's not just your typical snowdrop, doesn't look like. We'll be planting that there, and I'm going to plant it. As you can, I think I'm going to plant it underneath this hydrangea standard here. Got 5 holes right there. Then got a couple of daffodils, golden pearl. Sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera there. And my story. Kind of a neat green and peach and white. That's what we're doing in this video. How's it going with you guys today? It's again another beautiful, beautiful day here, Northeast Ohio. I'm going to start with these uh, hip, hip, Hippolyta, commonly known as snowdrops. This new hybrid is extremely hardy and one of the first flowers to bloom as the snow retreats. As the winter melts, fully double flowers in pure white with green accents show up on 4 to 6 inch stems. Plants are very floriferous, lots of flowers in late winter and are ideal for planting in large drifts. Does best in full sun, 2-part shade, naturalizes easily for years to come. Planting time for here, September, October, November, December. So I'm still doing well. Flowering time, February, March. We'll see. I've got big holes for these little bulbs. But we'll get these little fellas in here. It says plant them 4 inches deep. So, got to put the bulb tone in there. I don't know that it's absolutely necessary, but I just like to give everybody their best chance. Put that one in there, cover him up. Put this one in here, cover him up. Put this one in here, cover him up, her up. One over here. And with a bub alder. This one's trying to grow out already, it looks like. All right, there we have it. Those 5 are in. That's easy peasy. Now we'll get these daffodils kind of here in the same area. So we'll get those in. Let me reposition myself and reposition you guys. I'll go right here to start with. And I think I'll move you guys to the other side. Whew, sorry about all that. I tend to forget that somebody might be watching this. And then I just jerk the camera around. All right. There we have it. So, thanks for coming by, guys. Hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope you're enjoying this video. So, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, where's the 5th? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes. Where did I put the 10th hole? I need 10 holes. All right. May have to just dig a hole with my auger. I guess I can't count. Missing a hole. Get some weeds pulled out of here. Weeds, 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 and more weeds. Don't forget, guys, we hit 125 subscribers. We're giving away some more coneflower seeds. All right, let's do let's do this my story right here. And oops, I got to put the bulb tone in. I forgot the bulb tone. Oh, Sydney. Oh, Sydney. Oh, Sydney. Oh, Sydney. Oh, Sydney. Hey, buddy. Whoops, I'm falling off my seat. Oh, no, 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 no. You don't.